Hi, Chris. My name is Tisha. You and I spoke this week in regards to sending over a custom video. I came across your company by doing research of plumbers in your area. So I wanted to just go ahead and send you a video just to provide some tips for increasing your online presence, getting more traffic to your website, and more business leads. So today we'll be talking about three different areas. So one being content, citations, and backlinks. The first would be content. So content is anything, so any words, pictures, how the pictures are saved, or videos that are listed on your web page. Now, in order to rank on Google, they are looking for at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now, the more content that you have, the more keywords you're able to use. Now, keywords are the words that are used in a search engine such as Google. So this is for a customer looking for a certain service or a certain company in a certain area. So for this purpose, I use plumbers in Sacramento. So this is what I came up with when I Googled this. Now, the first that you'll see here are the pay-per-click companies that are paying to be listed up here. The next would be the map pack. Now, it's really important to be in this area. Oftentimes, people will click on the website or phone number directly from any of the companies listed here. So it would be our goal to have you listed in the map pack. The next would be the organic search. So I'm showing that Bonnie Plumbing and Rooter Hero would be your top two competitive in Sacramento. And we'll go ahead and take a look to see how they're doing. We're going to be using a tool called Ahrefs. Now this shows how the actual website is doing. So for your website, I am showing that you have 16 backlinks. Now backlinks are links that are listed on a website that will lead back over to your website. The more backlinks you have, the more traffic you will receive to your own website. Now, not all backlinks are made equal. So having a backlink, for example, listed on a restaurant versus a hardware store, for example, will affect the amount of traffic that comes over to your website. So what we would do is just look and see what other backlinks your competitors are using and use some of those same links to help you get more traffic. I'm showing that you're using 7 keywords, and I'm not sure if it's because this is a new website, but I wasn't able to find any traffic or not much revenue. So again, not sure if this is something because it's a new website. Now, the organic keywords that are being used to find your company, they're pretty much all your company name. So this is all. So this is one of the areas that we would look at to increase the keywords that are being utilized on your website. Next would be Bonnie Plumbing. So they have over 6,000 backlinks. They're using over 7,000 keywords. They have over 4,000 people going to their website monthly and generating about 56,000 in revenue. Some of their keywords that they're currently using. Again, some of these are their company name, and then these are some of the other services that people are typing in or words that they're typing in to actually find them. Okay, and then the next would be Rooter Hero. So they have over 24,000 backlinks, over 6,000 keywords. They're bringing in over 11,000 people to their website and generating around $310,000 in revenue monthly. So again, some of these are not 100% accurate. Again, it just kind of gives us a sense of how the websites are actually doing. And then these are some of the words that the keywords that they're using for people to find their company. Okay. So again, we would utilize some of these same words and help people find your business online. So I hope that you enjoyed some of the tips that I provided for increasing your online presence, getting more traffic, and getting more customers. You're welcome to use these tips on your own, but if you would like to have a more in-depth conversation, please give me a call at 916-378-9773. I would love to hear back from you and provide, so if you can provide me with some feedback, I'd appreciate that. Again, thank you so much for your time and you have a good day.